What's going on, beautiful people? Hey, it is your boy Terrence Gibson, and we are in the wild, wild west of centralized cards, but the centralized cards are the ones that are going to sweep the nation. You don't need no KYC. You can add your funds. You can move your funds back and forth. The fees are minute. And the fees that normally are on these cards normally just have something to do with the affiliate system, or if you're using a card at a certain place or a certain bank or a certain ATM, you're getting your fees from the ATM and not the card itself. So right now, while we're in this stage of quantify and all these cards coming out and they're coming out with these ridiculous amounts on how much it costs to buy them, this right here is for everybody. Any and everybody can get this card. This is the everyman's card. It's called Bancus. The card, the highest price you're going to pay for the card is $85, and that's with shipping. $85 for the metal card that you could drop and go bing, in the whole restaurant or wherever you at, you get their attention. So when people walk up like, oh, how'd you get that? You got crypto on that card? Bing, just drop it. People are going to ask, like, dude, because mostly you got to think about it. Most of those cards that were already out and they're just for fiat, those come from like the top accounts, like big dog accounts. You know what I'm saying? Your net worth has to be something special to even have that card, or your credit report has to be, eight, somewhere in the eights. I mean, you might get it somewhere in the sevens, but most of the people I see who have them are in the eights. So this is Bankers. I'm gonna let my man Mark Hamlin explain. If you've been in this space, you know Mark Hamlin. I don't have to go into who he is. You've been in this space, you know who he is. I'm gonna let him explain it. I'm only gonna stop on one spot because when he's talking about the video for how to put it on your phone, it actually you got to do one more step if you have an iPhone. If you don't have all those menu prompts, like my phone didn't have those menu prompts, and I have the 16. So if I don't have the menu prompts and I have the 16, and I just downloaded my last upgrade or whatever the thing is they do every seem like every week now. I just put it in. I don't have those menus. Maybe you might not have them. So let's jump into the video. I'm gonna let him explain.
So welcome to the call, everyone. Man, really excited about the information I'm going to be sharing with you because we are in a new age. It's decentralized. It's called DeFi. And DeFi allows you and I to be in a different position when it comes to banking. And that's what we're going to talk about here right now. And fortunately for us, we are in the forefront of this, but more and more people are going to have the opportunity to be on the other side of banking. So I'm going to introduce all of you to a company called Bancus. Well, Bancus is a decentralized digital institution built on over a decade of experience in the blockchain technology and solutions focused on decentralization. The purpose is to transform the way that the world interacts with money, combining the power of crypto assets with the ease and security of modern banking entities. So the mission is to provide an accessible, secure, decentralized financial solution to millions of people worldwide, making it easy to use, manage, and to monetize cryptocurrencies every day in everyday life. And so the vision is to become the leading global digital financial entity, integrating technology, simplicity, and the innovation into a single platform, driving the mass adoption of crypto assets as a mean of payment in the future. And so we know things are going this way. You got major companies, even governments getting involved in crypto. And so the founder of this project is Alejandro Castro, and you'll be hearing more from him. In fact, there's some videos where you can actually hear him, and we'll have him on this call as well. The company is based in Mexico. The primary office is in Mexico City. You can see the address on the screen there, but they also have other locations scattered around the world. You'll be hearing more about that as we move forward. All right, so what makes this different? Well, we understand in traditional banking, we have high fees for transfers and international payments. You have slow bureaucratic process, lack of integration with cryptocurrencies. There are geographical restrictions, limited access to services, limited service hours, strict requirements to open accounts. You know, the list is numerous, and you have so many people who are unbanked in the world. This is where decentralized finance and decentralized digital banking comes in. We're talking about low, transparent fees powered by blockchain technology, instant transactions with no intermediaries. We're talking about multiple currency wallets, global access, 24-hour platform availability, and much, much more, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely part of the future. All right, so let's take a look at what this platform offers. So Bancus offers, first of all, fast onboarding. All you need is an email address, ladies and gentlemen, and a username. No KYC and no borders. Anyone can participate with this platform from anywhere in the world. It's 100% decentralized. You control your account, your assets. There's no banks. There's no central entities. And you'll be able to participate with a physical card, and we're going to talk about that in a moment, and very soon also a virtual card. You'll be able to use this card in stores, ATM machines, and platforms worldwide with no restrictions. Now, you can also top up with crypto or fiat directly from the app. You can top up your card easily and securely directly from your wallet. So we're talking about global payments and purchases. You make international transactions with no hassles and no hidden fees. You can make international transactions. You can send and receive between cardholders. So you may have someone else who has a card here. You can actually send money directly to them without any fees. All right, so that is huge. So we're also talking about global accessibility. Anyone can participate here from anywhere in the world. All they need is an internet connection, and it is intuitive. There's a secure app. It's user-friendly interface. It's simple navigation.
Just to go back real quick, remember he said you can send globally to anyone and there's no fees sending money from card to card, just in case you missed that part. So you can get this card for you, your child, give one to each one of your children, your child abroad, your child in school, your family member. If you sending money home, I know a lot of people come to America to work. You can send money home. Just send them the card, put the money, send the money from your card to their card, and you don't have to keep paying all those Western Union fees. This is the Western Union killer.
And of course, there's blockchain technology that ensures transparency and protection. All right, but let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. How does your money work with this amazing